Oh, I feel like I got that.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Ryan and I'm a style and grooming blogger, and today I am doing a video on the best and worst luxury shoes that I've purchased. There's more bad than there is good. But yeah, let's crack on and get straight into it. Now the first shoe is from Choo, who normally do really good shoes. These are a pair of loafers and I don't know why I got them, to be honest. At the time I wasn't even sure on them, but I was just like, okay fine, whatever. And they were flipping expensive. They were £995 and I've probably worn them 3 times. I feel like this is a shoe that is going to upset a lot of people. As I was saying, this is a shoe that is probably going to upset a lot of people because they're actually made from python skin. I can't even justify it. Like, I hate snakes, but it doesn't mean you can make a snake shoe. The actual shape of the shoe is really nice. Like the style and the way it looks on the foot is really nice. If it was in a leather, like a brown or black leather, I would wear them all the time. But it's just the colour. They're so hard to get on because of their like really stiff, because they're animal, like they're python skin you can't really stretch it. Like this is like very stuck. So to get the actual shoe on is such a pain anyway. And they just don't go with many things. I've only worn them twice. I've worn them once with like a pair of white shorts, and I've worn them once with a pair of like sky blue Ralph Lauren chinos. Where would you wear a shoe like this? Like, you're not going to wear it on a night out because you can't clean them. And I don't know if you can see, but they're really dirty. And I just have no idea how do you get that off? This is probably the biggest regret out of all of them because they were so expensive, and Choo do so many better shoes than this, so why not get a pair that I know I'm gonna wear? Do any of you even like these? Okay, moving swiftly on. Gucci. Shoes from Gucci are probably the only thing I would purchase from them. I feel like they don't really do much else that I would buy. I mean, the past year or two they've done like the belt, you know, like with the GG, or like obviously like the sneakers and the t-shirts now, but I just don't think it's a brand that I would really invest in. But when it comes to their shoes, specifically their loafers, it is something I would invest in because I know that I would get a lot of wear out of them. But I just don't know how long the trend of the t-shirts and the sneakers and stuff like that, how long that's going to go on for, so I wouldn't really invest in it anytime soon. So these loafers I bought I think in 2011 or 2012, and I got them from Vista. These were £140, and they are wrecked. Like, they are wrecked, next level wrecked, because I've worn them so much, and I always wear them on a night out. They are literally just covered in alcohol and sick, I think, probably, and gum. But I think I just need to put some suede cleaner on them and they'll probably be fine. I've worn them with suits, I've worn them with dark denim, chinos, like so many different occasions, nights out, dinners, weddings, like functions, whatever. Like, they just go with so much and they're just so comfortable. So I would definitely recommend getting Gucci loafers. I really want to get like their new style, but this was definitely an impulse buy. It wasn't even an impulse buy, it was just buying it for the sake of having something from Tom Ford. I got them from New York and they were $700, around like just over $700. So it's not like they were cheap, like it's a lot of bloody money. And I don't even know where to begin with these. These are a size 11.5 US, which means I think it's a 10.5 UK. So I don't know why they're so big. But when I was trying them on in the store, the guy who worked there was even saying, like, you know, when you're walking, your foot is like coming out of the shoe and like it just doesn't fit properly. I was like, nah, it's cool, like, I'll just put an insole in, it'll be fine, like they will fit.
First step, lodge tissue into toe area. Second step, insert insole. And guess what, it still doesn't bloody fit, does it?
I just can't wear them because my feet just comes out of them. The only time I ever wear these is for the gram, let's not lie. Like, I've worn them twice. Well, I've worn them once, it was for a picture. I should probably sell them. Last 2 things are both from Barker's. Now Barker's is actually made and originates from like near where I live. I got both of these pairs around Christmas time. One's good, one's bad. Even the bad ones aren't even that bad, they're just one of them shoes where you're just like, I probably shouldn't have bought them. But I will wear them, I won't wear them as much as I could have if they were in another colour. Compared to the other shoes that I've mentioned, they're definitely not as bad. So I'm going to start with a bad pair. Now these are a pair of boots, a pair of Chelsea boots, which I wear Chelsea boots a lot. I've had two pairs, I've got two pairs of actual Chelsea boots. So the first pair I got are from Kurt Geiger. Now they're brown and they've got like a brogue style, but they're still suede. And then the second pair are from Topman, which is just plain boots with a zip on the side. And I have worn them to death. Like the Kurt Geiger ones are so wrecked, but I still wear them now and then. So then I was like, it's time to get a new pair, and I did want to get some in black, but when I went to Barker's they didn't have any black ones in my size, and I was like, I don't want to get brown because I've already got two pairs of Chelsea boots that are brown, and I've also got a pair of like leather lace-up boots, which are brown, so I was like, I need a different colour. And even when I was buying these, I knew I shouldn't get them because of the colour. So they are a really nice boot, the style's really nice. But they're like a navy blue. I've tried to wear them so many times, but I just can't find the right outfit. I think I just have to wear them with black. I think that's the only way it's going to work. Or dark denim. Okay, so as I mentioned, the next pair are also from Barker's. Now these are sick. These are a black calf monk strap, and these are actually my second pair of monk straps. I got a burgundy pair of monk straps from Topman, and I got them for like £25 or something in the sale. I've worn them quite a lot, but they get wrecked really quickly because of the material. So I thought it was time to invest in a proper pair. I just knew that black ones were the way to go. I just felt these are going to get so much use out of them, because you can never go wrong with a black shoe. Funeral, wedding, function, meeting, event, exam, I can wear these two. So they're really good, they have a really nice shape to them. They were about £120, so not too much. People think that £120 for a shoe is a lot, but then you can go to Topman, for example, River Island next. You buy a monk strap, it's going to be no less than 60 quid, whereas these, so say they're £120, they are going to last you years. They're going to last you so much longer than a shoe from high street brand is. I've only worn these a couple of times. I've actually worn these casually. I haven't worn them to like an event or anything yet. But I wore these in my Instagram in the picture of the G-Wagon. I'll insert the picture. So I wore them with that, and that was actually on a whim. I didn't actually plan that outfit, so I took stuff to shoot with. And I was actually going to wear that outfit with my fly knits, and then when I had my jacket on I was like, oh, this looks quite smart, let me put the monk strap on, see if it works, and it did, and what do you know, you can wear them casually as well. Okay, so that is everything I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I have saved you some money on shoes which you shouldn't buy, and I hope I've given you some ideas on what shoes you should buy. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, comment down below like what your favourite shoe is. Follow my Instagram, that's where I post the most. I'll link everything down below anyway. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.